ma'am is here, Asha ma'am is here, Greg sir is here, and you might be knowing Maya ma'am as
Yes,
well.
ma'am.
We
Hello
have a
to
new
all
member
the
in
teachers.
right. Smita ma'am has also
Yes.
joined, and there is a new member whom you can see in the list, Amit sir.
Okay.
He deals with the marketing and especially the digital marketing area in the school, and he also looks into the IT.
Hello, sir. Nice to meet you.
Yes, Vishesh.
Then you might be knowing Mangesh sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Priyanka Channa ma'am is the PRO. I don't know if you have met her. We've coordinated with him for this session.
Hmm.
Thank you all the teachers
Namaste,
for
ma'am.
sparing the time and talking to
Namaste,
me.
Vishesh.
Namaste,
Namaste,
ma'am.
ma'am. All the best for today. All the best.
Thank
All
you,
the
ma'am.
so Vishesh, you must have
Namaste,
noticed
ma'am.
that
Thank you.
after your batches have left, we have started with some new practices. One of them is wishing each other with a namaste. Did you notice that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And what do you
I
think?
was there for one more year as in the immune team, ma'am. So I know the Thank You Thursday was one of them, and we had a dance on Monday mornings.
Yeah, marvelous Monday.
Yeah, marvelous Monday, and like there were every day there were some events that were planned.
Right. So you remember all that?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, great. And you would probably be happy or unhappy to know that there are many more enjoyable activities that we have started after you left. You should be happy because your school is progressing as a happy school. You might be sad because it was not there. You know, those many things, those many practices were not there in your times. But you're always a
Yes, ma'am.
part of the school and you can come and enjoy with us whenever you wish. You're most welcome.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Ma'am,
So I
and I believe with the Adharshila talks, at least Vishesh would be connected with us. So we are doing Adharshila talks with veteran educators and a lot of eminent people. And we are also doing Adharshila career talks with a lot of universities. We just started last week. And this week we have University of California coming up.
I hope Vishesh could hear that.
Yeah,
So
yes, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for that invite. But I've already got into some of the Canadian universities, and I've accepted my offer in one of those. And I plan to go there in September, but the whole COVID-19 thing has delayed the whole process. So I'm kind of waiting for the approval from there.
yes, I
Wonderful, wonderful. Great to
also
know that.
letters of recommendation for you, and
Yes,
you
ma'am.
got Canadian universities. So congratulations on getting
Thank,
through, and
thank you, ma'am.
all the very best. After the COVID situation, it's all going to be very bright and sunny for you, and we are
Yes, ma'am.
very sure of that. So we
Thank you,
also
ma'am.
have some alumni joining us. We have Ronak here. Hello, Ronak.
Uh,
Hey, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
hi,
So good to hear. How are you doing?
hi, Ronak.
Hi.
So, Ronak, what do you think of these talks? Back
Hello.
to back to the root sessions.
Hello.
Ronak, do you think Back to the Roots program is a good program that we started? Okay, I think he has some connectivity issue.
Yes,
Welcome
he left.
to Hasim. Welcome to Kashish and Unmukha, Ronak, and everyone. And without hogging more of my time and Vishish's time, formally beginning. All the best to Vishesh, today's guest, and today's host. Looking
Namaste, ma'am.
forward to the
Thank you, ma'am.
Namaste.
नमस्ते मैम नमस्ते विशेष कैसे हो
Thank you, ma'am.
नमस्ते मैम, ठीक है, आप कैसे हैं?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों ऑल द बेस्ट विशेष
Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanashri, I think now you can take
Namaste to all the teachers.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. I'll start.
and rest of us can be all on mute. Thank you.
Yes. Requesting everyone to please keep your devices on mute. Thank you. Namaste and good afternoon to Principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, on and all the participants. Today we have a very special guest alumnus amongst us. I'm saying special because he's none other than our own Vishesh Verma. Vishesh, you're always one of the Vishesh students of RRIS because of your qualities and the attitude which you have always displayed in your school life. Vishesh is one of the very active students of RRIS. He tries to grasp every opportunity which come across him. During his school life, he always have impressed his teachers with his scientific temperament. He he also have played important roles in comparing in many school events. He is an excellent football player. Vishesh is an impressive manner. He has a vast experience of organizing many MUN sessions, and he is very happy to guide his fellow mates, his buddy juniors for MUN session. I'm just talking about his qualities. Now, let me share one memory with Vishesh. I remember when Vishesh was in seventh grade, and he took up an initiative of Swachhata Abhiyan, and for that he encouraged his all classmates, and all of his classmates went to principal ma'am, and we all know our principal ma'am is always happy and very enthusiastic for such initiatives, so she happily gave permission. And I remember I witnessed that whole program. So I saw in the early morning all the students of grade 7 were gathered near Maxis Mall, and they all were with brooms and so enthusiastic and were all so happy with in when they have participated in this Swachhata Abhiyan. And Vishesh, I was really amazed to see the kind of leadership quality you have displayed that time, and the sensitivity which you have shown towards our environmental issues. I hope you remember this thing.
Thank you, ma'am. That was a lovely introduction. And although I never thought of myself in that way like you did, so thank you for the. I'm delighted to hear that introduction. And yeah, I remember the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and how I tried, how I persuaded everyone to take a part of this, to take a part in this event. And yeah, it was a
Yes.
lovely experience.
Yes, I do remember each and everything. Yes, and if I'll keep on talking about Vishesh, I may go on and on. So I'll stop myself here, and I will request Amit sir to please play a video so that we all can see some glimpses of Vishesh school life.
Thank you, ma'am, for the video.
Yes, Vishesh, video is yet to play.
Okay. No, I'm thanking in advance.
Okay.
Okay, so I hope everybody is able to see my screen, and I'll play this video that will take you down the memory lane. So here we go.
Thank you, Amit sir. So Vishesh, how do you feel after watching the video?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for this amazing video. Brings back a lot of memories, especially the Kerala trip in 10th grade. I guess Dhanashri ma'am was there with us
Yes.
too. Smita ma'am was
Yes,
also
I
there,
was there. Smita ma'am was also there.
and it was an amazing
Yes,
trip.
it
I
was
mean, like,
great fun.
yeah, there were few people, but
Yes,
we enjoyed a
memorable
lot.
trip. Yes, yes, I
That was an
agree.
amazing. Thank you for
I
the
hope
video.
Smita ma'am also would agree with the same.
Yes,
Yes,
Dhanashree ma'am, I think that was one of the best tours we had and
Yes,
the
ma'am.
most
True.
memorable.
yes, yes. Yes, yes. Thank you, Smita ma'am. Okay, before we begin with the interview, I just would like to play a very small game, a rapid fire game with Vishesh. I'll be displaying few questions on the screen, and Vishesh, you have to answer that question as quick as possible. Okay, without thinking anything, whatever comes to your mind first,
Sure,
that
ma'am.
you have to answer. And I would request all participants also to participate. They can answer that question by typing in chat box. Okay. So just give me few seconds. I'll start my screen sharing. Yes. Okay. Are you ready, Vishesh?
Yes, ma'am. I hope so. Yeah.
I hope everybody can see my screen. You can. I hope you can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. And all the participants, be ready. Okay. The first question: describe your school journey using a film title. Yes, Vishesh. You have to speak. Huh? You don't have to
Uh,
type in the chat
Ye
box.
Jawani Hai Diwani.
Oh, great.
I cannot think of any
Next
other movie.
question. Okay. Next question. Your first achievement or prize in the school?
It would be the DSO competition. I participated in the 5th grade. Yeah, that would be the first one.
Okay.
In roller skating, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, I remember you used to play in the roller skating also. Next one. What would your autobiography be called?
Uh, like as in a movie reference or
Quick.
anything.
What would be the name? You have to give any name.
Nothing.
It can be any.
Okay, okay. It's just nothing special, ma'am. That would be the name I would give to my autobiography.
So any name you have to give.
Uh, Name as in I don't understand. It's basically like I don't have any. I don't know, ma'am. Uh,
There's a book written on your entire life. What would you like it to be called? There should be some name, no? Some title of the name.
May I give a title?
yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, sir.
Greg
Visheshta.
sir
Visheshta.
is giving. Vishesh.
Ma'am, I would
Oh,
like to call it
Visheshta.
Vyakti Vishesh.
Vyakti Vishesh. Oh, great. Next
That
one.
would be the most relevant.
Beautiful.
Yes. Yes. Name any two of your classmates you miss a lot.
Hasim and Jainil.
Yes, Hasim and Janil. I guess Hasim is
Yeah,
there right now.
yeah.
Yes.
Jainil's there too, ma'am.
Oh, Janil is also there. Next one. If you were the principal of a school, name one thing that you would make compulsory in the school and one thing you would ban in the school.
I would let students choose the type of the haircut they want, and
Okay.
I'll ban one thing. I'll ban is I'll ban canceling of
Don't say
PT lectures.
teachers.
No, ma'am. I'll ban canceling of the PT lectures. I'll make it compulsory.
Oh, cancelling of PDIP lectures. Okay, it will be compulsory. Okay, good. Next one. If you win a lottery worth of 1 crore rupees, what is the first thing that you would buy?
Uh, I'll buy a lot of shoes, ma'am. A lot of shoes.
Shoes.
Yeah, I'll buy a
Okay.
lot of shoes and I'll try to like get in shape, ma'am.
Different shapes. Okay. The last question. If you become invisible for 2 minutes, what things would you do?
What thing I would do? I would grab all the mark sheets, like all the bad mark sheets that I had from the strong room, and then I'll try to burn them,
Okay.
probably.
Oh, fine. It was funny. Thank you, Vishesh.
Welcome, ma'am. That was a
Okay, I
nice
hope all
rapid
the
fire round.
participants also were. Yes, and I hope participants also enjoyed. I hope they were writing answers in chat box. Okay. Now I seek permission from principal ma'am to begin with an interview.
Please go ahead. And it was a very interesting
Yeah.
round. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, Vishesh. So first question for you is, which institute are you in currently, and which course are you pursuing now?
As of now, I just completed my ASA levels. I did not actually give my
Hmm.
May June exam because they were cancelled, and I just cleared my A levels then. And
Right.
I was a science student
Hmm.
in RBK International, and I just passed. So
Hmm.
I'll be continuing my further studies in Canada.
Okay.
If everything goes in the right direction, I would join the university in Canada in September.
Okay, which course have you applied
I
for?
applied for Bachelor's of Physics, and I wish to be an astronomer.
Okay, very all the best to you, Vishesh.
Thank you, ma'am.
What do you like to do in what do you like to do in your free time? Like, do you read books or you watch movies or any particular TV program?
Actually, ma'am, reading is not one of my things. I don't read at all. I just got free from all the textbooks, like
Okay.
all the big textbook that I had to study in ASA levels. And I'm glad I don't have to read anymore now. And in my free time, I usually like binge watch a
Okay.
lot of science fiction shows. The recent one I watched was Upload, and
Great.
yeah, the recent one that I watched was Upload, and yeah, many of science fiction and thriller shows I watched.
Okay, so you like to see science shows, science fiction
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
shows, right? Okay, yeah, that's really good. What kind of music do you follow, Vishesh?
I listen to lo-fi rap and I listen to pop music. There are some artists that I follow and I'm big fan of. I'm big fan of Trevor Daniel, Weekend, and and Travis Scott. I
Okay.
usually listen to these people more than I listen to anyone else.
Okay, any particular song which you like the most?
Uh, Seeing the lockdown situation, I would really recommend Blinding Lights. That is by The Weekend. It seriously enacts the whole scenario that we have currently in the lockdown. We cannot step out of our homes. So that song is basically
O-
this basically tells the
Okay.
autobiography of every individual.
Okay, great, Vishesh. Now, Vishesh, we would like to know about your short-term and long-term goals.
Okay, short term, as in like my long term goal is to know everything that is out there. Like the universe is too big to understand honestly, and I
Yeah.
honestly wish to like understand it
Hmm.
all. Even if I have no job in the future, I just want to know it all. Like what is our purpose?
Hmm.
If you see in a psychological way, I like yeah that way I would like to learn a lot. I would like to like discover a lot about the cosmos. And short term goals are uh, studying like about astrophysics and all, so that I develop a good base. And therefore I have a good future. Even though I don't have money or I don't have any big house or something, but I would just like to gain that knowledge, and like I want to know about everything, ma'am, about the cosmos, because I am such a huge fan.
Okay, in short, we can say that. Okay, in short, we can say that you just want to be
Yeah,
a
yes,
learner
ma'am.
throughout your life, right?
My wish is to understand it all, just that.
Yes, that's really very great. Yes, that's really great, Vishesh. My next question: how has your journey been after school? What new skills have you
Uh,
acquired
uh, okay.
after school?
So
How was your journey?
when I was in Ramratna, I usually had a good experience in event management. That is, I had a good experience in community service that you mentioned about the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan thing, and we had uh, we had to go to the charities. We went to many charities to donate food. We went to clothes, donate clothes and everything. Yeah, so that Ramratna taught me community service.
Vishesh, 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, Vishesh, 1 minute. I asked after
Yeah,
school.
I'm coming to
I'll
I'm
come
yeah
to
coming
in
there, ma'am.
school also, but after school. Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
so Ramratna taught me a lot of community service, and when I went to RBK, that is
Hmm,
for AS and A
hmm.
levels, I discovered that there's much more than studies. If we see in our lives, we usually overlook like the seriousness of life and the way we look at it. So I learned a lot apart from studies, and event management was also a big part of it. Ramratna taught me like event management. What I did in Ramratna was just the core of event management, and then when I went in RBK, then I learned a lot about it. When like planning an event with 200 or 300 people in it, planning MUNs and community service. Yes, ma'am. Dramas, plays, etc. That is
Okay,
the thing I learned in my high
okay,
school.
okay. So, Vishesh, what difference do you find between your journey in school and journey post school?
My journey in school in Ramratnam was pretty significant. If you see, like I made a lot of friends, and since we were there for like 5 years, so I like bonded with the teachers and the students as well. But when I went to RBK, it was pretty new. It was everything was new for me. The culture, the students. So I had to like camouflage in and like I was totally when the first day I remember in RBK, I was literally so scared to talk to anyone. But like yeah, everyone came up to me and then they started speaking, so I felt confident and we had similarities. So yeah, I felt okay to talk to everyone. So like RBK, I thought like RBK is the stepping
Okay,
point
slowly.
of my life. Like I grew up and I built the courage to talk to anyone.
Do you feel your school experience at RRIS has given you an edge over your peers? Any particular area? What do you think? Any particular area or side of your personality has shaped in RRIS?
Critical thinking and personality development was and speaking of course was one of the like many reasons I many of qualities I developed in Ram Ratnam. So that helped me a lot shaping my personality and being what I am today.
Okay, I would like to ask a little question which is quite related to this only. What learnings from the school do you think have helped you to face the future challenges or challenges of outside world?
Developing courage, I would like to say about it. And when I was in Ramratna, we had a lot of discussions that were happening in the assembly, debates, class assemblies as such. So there was a lot I took in from Ramratna
Yes.
when it came to personality development. And now that I went to my high school, then I obviously I developed, I enhanced these qualities. So the base was Ramratna. Everything that came into me, the programming and all, everything came from Ramratna.
That's really great, Vishesh. Our hearts are filling up with lots of joy after listening to you all. Uh, Next question, Vishesh. Do you know our school is known as one of the happy schools, and we have, our school always, try to follow some happy practices, some unique practices. So, can you mention any particular unique practice which you liked, or has brought some change in you?
We used to have these game zones, food zones in our PTMs, if I'm not wrong, and
Yes,
these class assemblies
annual
also. Thank you,
exhibition.
Hasim. Yeah, these were all a great deal to me. And I think I was in 8th grade or 7th grade when I was and when I participated in game zone with Hasim only, and we won the first prize, and then we went to charity for donating all the amount we collected. So that was one of the great deals that happened to me, which was, I think, should be there in every school.
Okay, that's really great. Have you had have you got any time chance to have breakfast with principal ma'am?
No, because my surname starts from V, so my roll number was always at the last.
Oh,
So I by the time my roll number was coming up, I
so
the year was about to over. So like I had to in the next year the same thing happens. So there's no. I always miss having dinner. I guess breakfast with principal ma'am.
So I would just like to join in here and tell you that Vishesh, because you're Vishesh, you did not
yes.
get the chance to come in just along with others, and
Yes,
you
ma'am.
needed a special occasion to come for that. So I'm giving you in front of so many witnesses a special invite. Once the school reopens, just drop in anytime, and we'll have it together. I
Sure,
hope
ma'am.
to
No, yeah, I would love to.
have you with me while having breakfast one of the days when we reopen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it said no sabr ka
In
fal
fact, I
sabr ka fal meetha hota hai. We'll also try to have some dessert that day because others might not have had in the breakfast, but we are going to have it with you.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Sure.
see you soon, Vishesh.
See you, ma'am. Thank you.
yeah. Thank you, ma'am. What are your memories of school days? Can you share few memories with
Uh,
us?
all the school trips were amazing. All the school trips, Nainital, Kerala. Yeah, these were the two trips I've been on, and these two trips were absolutely amazing, ma'am. And going with schools, class students, and school teachers was
Hello,
pretty good
Vishesh.
experience. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Hello,
Yes, we can hear you,
hello.
Vishesh. Dhanush, we are
Yeah.
able to hear.
So school trips and PT lectures were always fun to me, and I always loved going on school trips. Class assemblies were also fun. Yeah, these little activities made a lot of difference. Made a lot of significance in my life in Aram Ratna.
Yeah, Dhanashri ma'am, can you hear us?
Yes, sir. I think I lost my
Okay, I think
internet
Dhanush.
in between, so I
Okay,
couldn't
okay,
hear.
okay,
Yes.
okay,
Hello.
okay.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vishesh answered
Yeah,
your
yeah, yeah.
question very
Thank you.
well.
Uh,
Thank you, sir.
yes, I couldn't hear his question. Yeah. Okay. Vishesh, which were your two favorite subject in school when at school?
Uh, I loved biology and math. These were two of my most favorite subjects. And chemistry also. If you add the third one, then I would include chemistry because I used to score good marks in these three subjects. I was absolutely amazing.
Oh, okay. So, would you like to say thanks to your teachers? Would you like to take names of few teachers, those who have taught you?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to thank Champa ma'am, Ashok sir, Smita ma'am for teaching me these amazing subjects, and also Mohit sir for teaching me physics, and also
Yes.
Asha ma'am for Hindi. And these teachers, like you, every teacher was amazing, and they all helped me with my academics. So I did not like I scored good marks when I was in 10th grade. So yeah, it was a good experience for me when it comes to academics. Academics was also inevitable experience when I was in Ramratna.
I would just like to join in here.
Okay, that's really great.
Dhanushree,
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
usually
ma'am.
what happens is children mostly remember their last year of school, and they remember their board exam results and board exam preparation. But somewhere I feel it's very important to be conscious that over your schooling, there are so many teachers, so many people who contribute to your development. It's not just those who teach for the board examinations, but all those who are involved right from pre-primary to primary to secondary. And I'm sure Vishesh would acknowledge their contribution as well. Am I right, Vishesh?
Yes, ma'am. I remember Usha ma'am teaching us maths in fifth grade. I remember Dhanashri ma'am also teaching us in sixth and seventh grade. Dipti ma'am teaching us in eighth grade. So these teachers were also very good to me, and they always looked out for me when I lagged in any of my academics. And also, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am for taking chemistry lectures when I was in the eighth grade. Teaching the first chapter that Ma'am taught us was moles in chemistry. So yeah, that was many in conference halls. So these the memories are inevitable, Ma'am. I cannot forget these anywhen.
Thank you, Vishesh. I also remember that particular class, and Prashant just mentioned that he remembers how I had shown properties of acids and bases, showing experiment of removing stains. So good, Prashant, you remember so well. Thank you for reminding me also.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Vishesh, what are your views about a good student-teacher relationship? Would you like to share any example that you might have experienced in RRIS about a student and teacher relationship?
Okay, yeah, there are many, ma'am. Actually, for a good student and teacher relationship, a student also should be open to their teacher and talk, like discuss their doubts, discuss whatever. Even though there are no doubts in academics, they should also feel free to contact the teachers if they have any personal problems. So because the teachers they will help
Yes.
us, and for sure they have built a good base for us, ma'am. So I guess if you want to enhance your student teacher relationship, you must talk to the teacher pretty often, and because teachers will be the one who will always look out for you. And yeah, yes, ma'am. So I will like to thank all my teachers for this.
Okay, any particular incident do you would you like to mention about any teacher who has helped you a lot?
Yes, Ashok sir has helped us a lot during our board exams. Dipti ma'am also has helped us a lot after school, and I get Dhanashri ma'am, you have also helped us when I was in seventh and eighth grade, when I was like a little off track from my academics and dealing with all the problems that I should have not. Now I would like to thank all these teachers, and yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much, Vishesh. Vishesh, who is your role model in society?
Uh, Now that I'm a huge fan of Elon Musk, and like when it comes to my dreams and all, because he shares the same vision as mine. He loves cosmos, and he wishes to take us all there once in a while. So, and yeah, if you ask, like, I also like LeBron James. He's a NBA basketball player. I also like him for his
Okay.
willpower and his struggle to get into what he is today. And like my parents also are a huge inspiration for me. Like from working day and night tirelessly, they have built a strong base for me and strong future and a safe future. So I cannot thank these people enough for their contribution in my life.
Yes, Vishesh, your parents must be very proud of you. What
Dhanashri,
is your advice for
I would like to convey to Vishesh that his parents were always so conscious of his development, and they were very aware parents. They were the
Yes, ma'am.
ones who would always be present for any orientation, any
Yes.
workshop, any career counseling session,
Yes.
for any meeting. And that is
Hmm.
something which speaks a lot about their sincerity and their dedication towards your future and your development. So, hats off to your parents, and please convey my deep regards to them.
Yes, ma'am. My parents were so strict that did not give me a mobile phone until I completed my 10th grade. And like my friends all would know like how strict
Oh,
they are. They did never let they would never let me out hang out with my friends and all, because they always thought like I'll get into the flow and then I'll miss out on my future. So I guess they were right somehow, and they made me what I am today now. I'm glad.
Yes,
Uh,
that is their style of parenting, and that has helped you. So
yeah,
yes,
yes,
it
ma'am.
did was that.
yes. Okay. Vishesh, what is your advice for your budding juniors? Any kind of advice which you would like to give to your juniors?
Okay, so I would like to tell the juniors that you must always talk to your parents and your teachers, because these are the ones who will never back out on you, and you will always support you no matter what you have gone through in life. Always, because these are the one who have experienced your life. Even though at some point of time, I think being because since I was also a student, I would always think that ये सब क्या बोल रहे हैं, this doesn't matter. Always I would think कि my parents are like telling all rubbish, but actually now that I look back to my school life, I think they were always correct, and the teachers and the parents always are there for us. So I'm saying this to all the juniors that you must always look out for your parents and talk to them pretty often with all your problems, because they'll solve it better than anyone else.
Yes, you're correct, Vishesh. Very true. Uh, Now, my next question to you is: our school is, always supporting ex students, all the alumni. So, can you give some suggestion for our school how our school can support ex students?
I think we can have like tournaments, football tournaments where like the one we were having in school, like for the auction one. I think we can include the the ex students as well, so that they can also get a chance to participate in this, like football, cricket, basketball, whatever sports the school would like to give. I think we can have an alumni association planning that whole tournament. So yeah, it can be volleyball, it can be any sport, but yeah, so it brings all the students together, and it brings out all the teamwork skills in ourselves, man.
Yes, thank you, Vishesh, for your suggestions. Uh, what is one thing about the school that you miss a lot?
I miss a lot
Any one thing about the school?
the teachers for sure. Second comes the friends and the PT lectures that we shared together. That were amazing. All the doubt solving sessions, all the staybacks on Wednesday were also worthwhile. And so yeah, because I stayed back a lot for my doubts on Wednesdays. If I remember, if I'm correct, we always stayed back on Wednesday, and even though it's MUN or academics,
Yes.
yeah. So that's what
Hmm.
is what that was important back in school.
Yes. Vishesh, if given a chance, would you want to come back to school for one day? That means, if given a chance, and if you have asked to sit in the class one more time for one day, would you like to do that?
I would love to do it for forever, because I also I was curious to join Ramnata again for ASN levels. Unfortunately, we couldn't have it, but I think I was in talks with principal ma'am also regarding this. I told her how I felt about for ASN levels. I wanted to join Ramnata because I had that bonding with the teachers. So I even though I wouldn't have studied, I
Right.
would have easily cracked any of my exams, because the teachers were so great and so helpful.
Hmm. Okay, with whom would you like to share your desk?
I will any actually now if I look back, I would love to share the desk with any of the students, because I haven't been in touch with many of them. So I would love to have desk with Jenil, Hasim, anyone who is ready to sit with me, because I've gained a lot of weight now, and now that I'm bald, they will tease me a lot. But yeah, I can actually bear that. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's actually a fun, Vishesh.
Thank you.
Yes. What three things do you feel the school can do better than we are doing now? Any three things we are doing it, but we can do it much better way.
I don't think there are many improvements that are needed, but I think that being a student, I wanted more of PT sessions. So if the timetable permits, we can have more of them, and we can have more of doubt solving sessions in person. We could allow, like I think we can allow laptops to the school for study purposes, and mobile phones should not be allowed though. But laptops I think can be allowed to the school for researching purposes.
So, Vishesh, I would like to let you know that for sports, yes, there have been many changes introduced after you all left. We have added more games, like we have basketball, football, cricket, volleyball, and softball, table tennis as well. Also, we are dedicating 2 hours in a week for these classes, plus 3 days in a week. The chosen students who are a part of the elite team, they stay back thrice a week, 2 hours they stay back after schools, after the school hours for practicing for sports. So I feel in the area of sports we have actually put in a lot of time and effort. You would be glad to know that. And about permitting laptops, I think the current situation has already brought that scenario very clearly before us, that technology is playing a big role. And what I see in for a very very long time is that the blended learning is going to stay here.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's not just the physical classes with chalk and talk by the teacher. It is going to be a great deal of dependence on technology. So yes, of course, children would be using their gadgets, though that may happen only when they are at home. So maybe half of the days in the school, half of the days through their gadgets. So I feel yes, to more or less great extent, what you want has been happening, and we'll try to achieve the rest of it.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope.
Because in the long run, if we see now, everyone in the world will try to like maintain social distancing, even if this coronavirus thing ends. I think that's one of the great things that we have learned from this lockdown, and protecting our environment is also one of the key things that we should learn. And I think Ramratna has a pretty decent environment. Everyone, I brought my friends from RBK to Ramratna for the MUN, and they all loved the environment here, which was, which I think is one of the highlight, I would say, of my school life.
Yes, you are right, Vishesh. Our environment and our connection with the nature is the USP. I would say it's the biggest USP of our school. And thanks for mentioning that.
True
Yes,
that,
then
yeah.
please carry on.
Yes, Vishesh, I remember you used to play football as well as you were in the skating, also roller skating. So, are you still pursuing the same sports, the skills which you have, learned in RRIA? So, are you still in touch with that? Are you still playing?
I was a national level skater until ninth grade or 10th grade,
Yes.
but then I had to stop it because of my boards, and unfortunately I could
Hmm.
not pursue it as a career because that was just a hobby to me. And talking about football, I still play football. I don't play it regularly though, but I love to play with my friends, society friends, or like anywhere the time permits. So I play them. But when I joined RBK, I learned a lot about basketball. So as of now, that's my favorite sport, and I love to play basketball. Honestly, I was
Okay,
I wish
that's great.
we had it in our batch as well.
But now you can come and play with your juniors.
Sure, ma'am.
We'll invite you. And you don't need an invitation. It's your school. You can come and you can just uh, inquire from your teachers the timetable for sports, and you can just join them during their sports period.
Sure, ma'am. Why not?
Okay. Vishesh, a school is planning a lot of initiative for alumni. So, means many times the alumni are invited for many events. They are participating. They are coming to school for many events. Like last time we had plantation program was there, a huge plantation program. For that also, many alumni were invited. So, like that, school is planning for many initiatives. So, would you like to become a part of that every initiative?
If if the present permits me, then I would surely love to do it. But as of now, like I would be continuing my further studies in Canada, so that would be pretty difficult for me to attend all the events. But I would surely love to attend all the events that I could. So yeah, I would surely. I'm down for all the events that are happening in the school, all the alumni stuff that is. Even if I had to fly from Canada back to Mumbai, I would surely. I would literally do it.
That's wonderful.
Wow, it's really great. Yes, Vishesh, formally all the questions are actually done. I could see many of your classmates are present here. So, any particular message you would like to give to your classmates?
Uh, I would like to say this to Jairil that you have scored good marks in your ESN A levels. So I think you have a pretty decent future now. And I would like to say that to like saying to Hasem, Hasem, you should stop playing Fortnite now, and you should also concentrate on your studies. If you want to become an IAS or IPS officer, you must study a lot. I mean, and stop playing all the video games that you play and bully me because I don't play so well. So yeah, we should get back to studies also. And yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Vishesh. Yeah, thanks a lot.
And yeah,
Now I request Principal Ma'am if she would like to give any message to all the students.
Yeah, I would like to hear from Hasim. What does he think about the advice given by Vishesh? Hasim, please unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
Hello.
Hasim. How are you doing?
Good, ma'am.
Hello, how are you doing?
Ma'am, good. How is everyone?
We all are fine, and we all miss all of you. So, did you hear what Vishesh spoke for you?
Yeah, ma'am. So the advice, yeah, ma'am. So the advice given by Vishesh was not correct. I
don't lie, don't lie.
like
I could hear your parents shouting from the background. So don't lie to me.
but while playing, you are shouting then.
But yes, Hasim,
Because I don't
Hasim
play
is
so
an
well.
excellent sports person. So I would not ask him to stop
So, yeah,
playing
ma'am.
on mobile. You must actually physically go out and play once the lockdown is over. And yes, Vishesh is right. You have to focus.
Yeah, ma'am. I do. Yeah, ma'am. I do started.
You've started studying? Oh,
Yeah, ma'am. I do. Yeah, ma'am. I
that's very
also
good.
started
I know
MMA
you are a
classes.
very bright and
So
smart child.
and studied also. Yeah, ma'am.
So Hasim, you're a bright and a very smart child, and you have a great future ahead of you.
Ma'am,
Thank
we
you, ma'am. That's nice to hear, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Janil also.
Yes, so you people are very lucky that you have got such friends who
Ma'am,
always give you the right advice. So we have Jenny
Yeah,
also.
ma'am. We are lucky to have you, ma'am.
Oh, so
yes.
sweet of you. So is Jenny there?
Ma'am, I will, ma'am. If we get time,
Yes.
can I come to school and meet you, ma'am?
Yes, you are always welcome. You
Ma'am,
simply
I
have to
have to
tell me
meet
when you
every
want.
teachers also. That's why.
Yes, Hasim, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
come. Surely.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Let's see you on the next Teachers' Day then. Hopefully the school would be on.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
So,
ma'am. Okay.
Jenil?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. I think how are you, Jenil?
Yes, ma'am, he is talking.
Yes, Jenil, how are you?
Ma'am, fine. How are you, ma'am? How is everyone actually?
Yeah, thank you. You are really lucky to have such a friend who thinks that
Yes.
you have done well
Yeah, ma'am.
and he has all the best
Call me,
wishes
ma'am.
for the future.
First one to call me and ask.
Right. So we are looking forward to having all of you one by one in this talk show. What do you think of this initiative? Hello, Jenny. Do you think Back to the Roots talk show is a good initiative?
I think Jenny's having
I
network
think,
issues.
I think there are some network issues,
Yeah.
but still, it
Right.
was a wonderful session.
Hmm.
What do you think, Vishesh? Back to Roots Talk. How did you feel?
I,
Enjoyed the show today with Dhanashree ma'am?
yes. After a long time, like after almost 2 years, I got the opportunity to talk to the teachers with this in this environment. So yeah, I'm glad to have this program, sir, and I'm glad that I filled up the form and I registered for it.
Thank you. I think there is some audio disturbance. I'll just check.
I request if I would
Okay. Yeah,
request
then
if
say.
Smita ma'am would like to say something. Yeah, I request if Smita ma'am would like to say something for Vishesh, and of course his batchmates are present here.
Yeah, namaste everyone. Actually, it's so nice to connect back to all these people, all these students after so many years. You know, when they left the school, we actually felt so sad, and we used to always miss the students of previous 2 3 batches. But it's really so nice to see all of them coming back, talking to us. And Vishesh was always a very vibrant personality, very upfront. Always ready to fight, ready to give back. And
We,
he had,
I
yes,
yes,
Vishesh.
I came into your cabin always like once in a week for sure. I had to come into your cabin regarding
Yes.
all the rules that I violated, like for the council members.
Yes, I remember. And you had that habit of, like always taking stand very firmly and sticking to your stand. And it was always very difficult to make you understand and, to take a step back when required. So I really appreciate that attitude also, because it is really good to be very clear with your stand. And you were very upfront, street smart boy, always very confident of yourself. So these are one of the few personalities which are required now in these days during 21st century. So
Thank
really
you, ma'am.
great, Vishesh, and you are really doing good for yourself. The way you
Thank you,
have
ma'am.
come up in academics and all other activities, I can see you organizing RBK Man. So all those qualities of yours have helped you to come reach till here, and I'm definitely sure your parents must be very proud of you. I remember your mother coming and very frequently, expressing her concern कि विशेष कैसे करेगा क्या करेगा, and see you come up so wonderfully well. So I'm definitely sure your mother must be very relaxed and proud now.
No, no, ma'am. Till date, she bugs me with all these dialogues, ma'am. Like when I was
अच्छा
in
हो
10th grade, तो 10th grade में कैसा करेगा? When I was in A-levels, तो A-levels कैसे करेगा? अभी future में Canada जाएगा तो उसको कैसे संभालेगा? So these like are now I am adapted to this, ma'am. So I have no this is not nothing new for me.
See, mothers are always like that, so you should respect that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, they
I
are
do, ma'am.
always worried about you, and that worry,
Yeah.
motivates us to do better, I feel.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that's really good that your mother is so concerned about you till now. And really
Yes,
very
ma'am.
happy to see all the students
Yes.
on the board. Please be a part of this, and we would be very glad and happy to hear you all again and again. We all are very proud of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best, Vishesh. All the best for your Canada venture,
Any
what you're going to take up now.
Thank you, ma'am.
any other teacher would like to express her feelings here?
Yeah, Dhanashri ma'am, this is Usha, Usha here, Usha Pujari. I would like to
Yes,
speak.
Usha ma'am.
Uh,
Yes, Usha.
it's like, it's such a great feeling actually, to see your children, like, yes, they are our children. Like, we have seen them grow up in front of us, so responsible, and then talking about, they were so small, and, with all small things, small issues, and now all, like, I know they still have to grow up and, do many more things in their life. But yes, they are grown up. I can see that, when Vish is speaking about his long term goals and the short term goals. And I remember him when I met him in the school last time when he had come for his some certificate. He said, "Ma'am, I will be going to Canada." So I was so happy. Like a good, very good, Vishesh. All the best to you.
Thank you,
Always
ma'am.
be happy, and just make us proud every, like, wherever you go, make us proud. Remember your roots, remember your school. I mean, it's so nice when you people remember your teachers, remember your school. I mean, it's really a very happy feeling. And, like, it really gives so much of happiness and pleasure, and that, I don't know, I don't have words for that. And it's really nice. And to have you, to see so many of your batchmates, Janil, Hasim, Himani here, Chinmay, it's always so nice. You people have passed out, but still you are there with us. We still remember you, and it's really nice to connect with you all. So, all the best to all the best to you, and all the
Thank you,
best to
ma'am.
all of you there. Like, God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am. And if like the I remember the farewell ceremony, and we honestly, I think everyone from our batch thought like, chalo, we'll now go to a new place and we'll learn, we'll get to know more people. But now that we look back to the school life, we think that it was like the one of the most amazing thing that happened to us, and we regret, we still want to enjoy these moments again and again, even though it won't happen. But yeah, we would love to do it the if future permits us to do again. We would surely love to get back to school as a student and enjoy the school life that we wish we would have enjoyed if we followed all the rules and regulations and everything.
Yes, Vishesh. Anybody else? Any other teachers? Any other staff member would like to talk?
Ma'am, I'd like to speak. And while I've been not been a part of the school
Yes, sir.
when Vishesh was around, and neither am a teacher, but I'm still really happy to see the kind of love and affection that all of you have for each other, and I'm really proud to see how confident Vishesh is sounding. The sense of satisfaction that a teacher would get, and only a teacher would know that when their student is so confidently speaking. I wish you all the best, Vishesh, and
Thank you, sir.
I thank all the teachers for doing such an awesome job.
Thank you, sir. Means a lot.
Thank you. You actually spoke what is actually going on in our mind, actually it's going on in our heart. We are really feeling so proud after seeing them, after listening to them from after so long. Multiple. Ma'am,
Yes, Dhanashri. Hello.
ma'am, shall I conclude the interview now? Ma'am, shall I conclude the interview?
Yes, I give my blessings and best wishes to Vishesh.
Thank
And
you, ma'am.
Vishesh, we are very certain and sure you will make all of us very proud. I could see that the mission and vision of RRIS is reflected in the way you speak, in your thoughts, and in your dreams, in your aspirations. When you said that I don't just want to collect a lot of money in my life, but I want to learn. I feel that is the highlight of today's session for me as a school principal and as a teacher. So thank you very much for bringing this out to all of us. This is what matters in life. May God bless you. And
Thank you, ma'am.
we are so happy to meet you today. And thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanasri. You did a great job of interviewing him. Thank you. And I also thank all the alumni who have taken out time and are with us today. And before we all conclude, I would like Asha to speak. I'm sure Asha also has some memories with this batch. She has taught them for a long time. Is Asha here?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. यस मैम, नमस्ते
Namaste,
मैम।
Asha.
एक्चुअली मैम आज इन सभी बच्चों को देखकर मुझे इतना गौरवान्वित महसूस हो रहा है कि सच जैसे मैंने इन्हें कुछ कई सालों तक पढ़ाया है, जैसे ग्रेड 7, 8, 9, 10 4-5 सालों तक मैंने इन्हें हिंदी पढ़ाया है। और आखिरी साल में जब ये लोग कक्षा 10 में थे तो मुझे याद है मैं और माधुरी मैम हम दोनों इस क्लास को पढ़ा रहे थे। हासिम, आप विशेष और हासिम, आप लोगों में जो
Yes,
इतना
ma'am.
सकारात्मक बदलाव आया है, जो इतना आप लोगों ने अपने अंदर जो चेंजेस लाया है, वो बहुत ही विशेष है। तो
Thank you, ma'am.
मैं हमेशा यही आपको शुभकामनाएं दूंगी कि अपने लक्ष्य की ओर हमेशा सफलता पाओ और आगे बढ़ो। ठीक है?
Thank
थैंक
you,
यू
ma'am.
मैम, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Thank you, Asha ma'am.
Thank you, Asha ma'am.
Thank you, Asha, ma'am.
Here I would like to thank Vishesh for taking out time and talking to us. I also would like to thank all the his classmates, all of our alumni who has joined today. And I would also like to thank Priyanka ma'am, our PRO ma'am, Amit sir, for supporting me. And lastly, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am for giving me this opportunity to host today's program. Thank you very much. Namaste.
Thank you, ma'am. Namaste.
Thanks to everyone. Namaste.